Here we have the first official hands-on video of the Galaxy S25 Edge. A lucky YouTuber got their hands on the new Galaxy S25 Edge and shared a short video of it. This isn't a fake display model, it's a real working phone. The video gives us a good idea of how thin the device is. As of making this video, sadly the video is now deleted from the real source. When placed next to an unfolded Galaxy Z Fold 6, the S25 Edge doesn't look much thicker. Since the Fold 6 is 5.6mm thin when open, the S25 Edge is likely under 6mm thick, not counting the camera bump. Also, ICE says that, in fact, you don't have to connect the camera of S25 Edge with iPhone 16 to highlight that Apple is ahead, and Samsung is a follower, which is wrong. In fact, the camera design of S25 Edge is the same as that of Galaxy Z Fold 4, but the number of cameras is reduced to 2. This is in line with Samsung's consistent camera design style on the thin body. There is no suspicion of copying iPhone 16. If you have to be serious, the embarrassing one is Apple because Fold 4 was released before iPhone 16. Some reports suggest the phone might be exactly 5.84mm thick, but the video doesn't confirm this detail. The video is in Spanish, but thanks to the S25 app, we can see some of the phone's features. It has a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and a 4,000 mAh battery. The app also says the phone has 3 12-megapixel cameras. However, S25 usually shows the default image resolution, not the actual camera sensor size. So the rumored 200-megapixel main camera could still be true. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.